Hi there, my name is Michael Carter-Smith and I'm the creator of the Goodnight Anti-Snoring Ring. In 2011, I'm running a competition to find the world's worst snorer. That's right, the world's worst snorer, with a $1,000 prize for the winner. But I need your help to find that person, as nearly 60% of the world's adults snore. So pick up your mobile phone or camera and start recording your victims now. Details of how to enter, vote, terms and conditions can be found on our website, goodnightsnoring.com. So let's get started in hunting down your victims. Good luck and good night from me.